Mastering the Art of Conference Call Etiquette, Introductions and Agendas. Hello, English learners. In today's video, we will be focusing on a vital aspect of English speaking skills that is often overlooked but is incredibly important in the professional world: conference call etiquette. Specifically, we'll be diving into the subject of how to properly introduce participants and set an agenda during a conference call. So, buckle up and let's get started. Firstly, let's discuss why introductions are so important in conference calls. Introductions ensure that everyone on the call knows who's present and their roles. This helps create a professional environment and sets the tone for the call. But how do you introduce participants? Start by introducing yourself, your position, and your company, if applicable. For example, "Hello, this is John Doe, the project manager at XYZ Corp." Then proceed to introduce the rest of the participants, stating their name and role. For instance, joining us today, we have Jane Smith, our lead developer, and Mark Brown, our client representative from ABC Company. Remember, speak clearly and slowly. It's important to articulate each name and title correctly so everyone can understand. After introductions, it's time to set the agenda. An agenda provides a roadmap for the call and helps keep the discussion on track. Here's how to go about it. Clearly state the purpose of the call. For example, the purpose of today's call is to discuss the progress of our project and brainstorm solutions for the challenges we are facing. Briefly outline the topics you'll cover in the call. Say something like, "First, we'll discuss the project's progress, followed by a brainstorming session on the challenges, and finally, we'll agree on next steps." Provide an approximate timeline for the call. You might say, "I anticipate that our discussion will take approximately 45 minutes. Always ask if anyone has anything to add to the agenda. This makes the participants feel included and valued. You could ask, "Does anyone have any other items they'd like to add to today's agenda?" Let's put this into practice with a role-playing scenario. Imagine you're the project manager of a software development team, and you're hosting a conference call with your team and a client representative. Proceed with a detailed role play, acting out a conference call scenario, using the tips provided in the previous sections. And there you have it. Now you're well equipped to introduce participants and set an agenda in English during a conference call. Remember, clear communication is the key to successful interactions, especially in a professional setting. We hope this video has been helpful, and we encourage you to practice these skills. Until next time, happy learning!